इंडी वालों ने तय किया है मुसलमानों को आरक्षण दिया जाएगा। मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देने के लिए एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी, अति पिछड़ों का आरक्षण छीनने के लिए अब वो आखिरी उपाय खोज लिया है और वो आखिरी उपाय है उनका संविधान में बदल लाना, संविधान में लिख देना। वो कहते हैं कि संविधान में लिखेंगे मुसलमानों को आरक्षण दिया जाएगा।
Viewers, the mighty guardians of the Constitution have fallen. Rahul Gandhi, like a preacher on a mission, has been chanting Save Samvidhan. What Rahul meant was that the threat to Samvidhan was from RSS and BJP. But all that was a stunt to mislead. The script is now becoming clear. Viewers, DK Shivkumar, the Congress leader, has let the cat out of the Congress's bag. Viewers, it appears amending the sacred constitution to sneak in a Muslim quota is not some grand conspiracy whispered in the dark alleys of 10 Janpath. No, not anymore. It's just a casual, yes, casual remark over a cup of chai or wine if you like. Who knew that constitution was just a rough draft for the Congress to scribble on whenever their vote bank demand strikes or demands? Let's rewind the tape a little bit, which is why we started with what the Prime Minister had said. The PM once warned that Congress would twist the constitution to appease their Muslim vote bank. Back then, the opposition scoffed, played it down, called it a communal pitch. But here we are, viewers, watching DK Shivkumar prove Modi right, just casually justifying what he said. Viewers, for the Congress, changing the constitution is as easy as picking a new curtain. And Rahul Gandhi, the self-appointed Samvidhan Rakshak, is mysteriously silent. He is quieter than a public library on a holiday. Or who knows, viewers, he is perhaps too busy planning a Samvidhan Bachao Yatra to notice his party's assault or the planned assault on the constitution. Viewers, this is not just hypocrisy, it's a masterclass in misleading the people. For a party that's built its brand on sanctimonious lectures about equality, secularism, etc., etc., the willingness to tweak the constitution casually for a juicy slice of the vote bank pie exposes their true intent. Power, not principle. Rahul's deafening silence is the cherry on the top. Either he's complicit or he's too lost in admiring the world map to care about this. Maybe he's saving his voice for the next Jai Samvidhan rally where he will conveniently forget to mention this little episode. Viewers, for Congress, it seems the constitution is just a flexible friend. Bend it, stretch it, rewrite it, whatever it takes to keep the vote bank god smiling. DK Shivkumar's casual confession isn't an ordinary slip of the tongue. It's proof of the Congress's mindset where the constitution is just a vote-winning coupon, redeemable at the nearest minority-dominated area or a polling booth. Viewers, the party that accuses the BJP of threatening democracy has been caught red-handed, plotting a constitutional makeover, all while their crown prince plays mute spectator. So much for the Save Samvidhan, viewers. Witty slogans will not hide the truth. When push comes to shove, Congress's first love is not the Samvidhan, it's Satta. Rahul Gandhi doesn't run a Muhabbat ki dukaan, he owns a vote bank showroom where constitution is always on sale.
They are going to change the constitution of India to provide reservation in contract vote to a Muslim community. We cannot take this statement lightly because if it was a statement made by any ordinary person, then we can understand. But since this statement has come from a person who is holding a constitutional position,
extremely serious, और ये लोग बड़े संविधान के रक्षक बनते हैं, ढोल पीटते हैं वो संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ाते हैं। ये इसके लिए हम लोग
डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने बनाया वो कोई बना नहीं सकता रिजर्वेशन की।
Let's open this up. Guru Prakash, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, political analyst. IP Singh, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Professor Monojit Mondal, political analyst. Syed Asad Abbas. And Dr. Ranganathan completes the panel. Kamruzaman ji, where is Rahul Gandhi? The red, diary. Oh, sorry, constitution. He doesn't carry a diary. कहां है उनके हाथ में? आज कुछ बोल नहीं रहे वो. डीके शिव कुमार इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड, नॉट वंस बट मल्टीपल टाइम्स, सेइंग हां मैंने बोला, आई सेड इट कैजुअली.
Well, Pranesh, you know one thing, the entire BJP party ecosystem have been spreading lies through the social media as of now, non-stop 365 days, and that we all know, it's not a hidden secret. But now today the BJP party's ministers on oath of the constitution have been lying inside the parliament house, and this can never be a more bigger low than this, when Mr. Kiran Rijiju, against whom an adjournment, a privilege motion has been brought in the parliament by one of our parliamentarians against him. So it's better that Mr. Kiran Rijiju apologize on the floor of the house.
Kiran Rijiju नहीं है सर, आप जिसको अपोलोजाइज के लिए बोल रहे हैं, पहले नाम तो सही ले लीजिए. बीजेपी पार्टी, no, 1 minute, Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, 1 minute, calm down. I will give you time, you restart. आपने जहां से बोला था वहां से बोलिए. किरण रिजिजू नहीं है, किरण रिजिजू है. You want someone to apologize, get the name right. Get the name right, sir. This is my problem with you. It's like what Rahul Gandhi does. He wants to save संविधान, लेकिन संविधान को खतरा ही कांग्रेस से है. आप नाम सही नहीं ले पा रहे हैं.
You have accused DK Shiv Kumar of lies, and I take strong objection to your spreading lies through your channel.
Very good, sir. Very good.
This is not a child's play that you come every evening.
Take me to court.
Like the BJP party parliamentarian.
Sir, 1 minute. Leave the BJP party.
Yes,
you take me to court. You take me to court. Sir, मैं चले जाऊंगा. आप मुझे बुलाइएगा. मैं जाऊंगा. ठीक है? वैसे भी lower courts have set the country on fire. You take me to a higher court. ना IP सिंह जी, ये कौन सी दुकान है सर, और इसमें क्या मिल रहा है? वो तो बोलते हैं कि मोहब्बत की दुकान है. इसमें तो देखिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को ही ऑन सेल रख दिया इन्होंने.
नहीं, वो वोट बैंक शोरूम की जो बात आप कर रहे हैं प्रणेश जी, ये तो शोरूम बीजेपी ने खोला है. आप देखिए ना कि ये वही बीजेपी है 7-8 महीने पहले. अब उनके सांसद, उनके पूर्व मंत्री, पूरे आरएसएस के मुखिया डॉक्टर मोहन भागवत जी संविधान बदलने की बात कर रहे थे. तो संविधान बदलने की ताकत जो प्रणेश जी किसी के पास है, वो राज्यों में नहीं है. वो तो पार्लियामेंट में जिसके पास बहुमत है जोड़ तोड़ का, वो संविधान बदल सकता है. हाँ, उन्होंने ये बात जरूर कहा है कि कुछ संशोधन होते रहते हैं और आज आवश्यकता है.
आप भी वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, आपको ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अभी राजनीति ज्वाइन किया है. आप ये सब समझते हैं. आपकी मजबूरी मैं समझता हूं. अखिलेश यादव कह रहे हैं कि बदलने नहीं देंगे, ये गलत है बयान. आप मुझे ये बताइए कि बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये प्रोविजन है मुस्लिम कोटा का?
संविधान तो इसकी इजाजत नहीं देता है.
तो
लेकिन
फिर
उस पे
तो आप लोगों की राजनीति कैसे इजाजत दे रही है? इसको आप कंडेम नहीं कर रहे हैं? कहां तक गिरेंगे?
देखिए, समय की मांग है. अगर कुछ अमेंडमेंट हो सकता है और समय समय पर अमेंडमेंट्स होते रहे, तो अगर अमेंडमेंट्स हो सकता है और जो दलित, वंचित, शोषित, पिछड़े वर्ग के लोग मुस्लिम समाज में भी हैं, अगर कुछ कोटा दिया जाता तो कोई
क्या दिक्कत है? गुरु प्रकाश जी, अगर उनको कोटा दिया जा रहा है तो क्या कुछ अमेंडमेंट वो कर देंगे कैजुअली? इट्स ओके.
Pranesh, a very warm good evening to you and all my fellow panelists. Let me at the outset give a word of caution to my fellow panelist and a very senior leader, Mr. Kamruzaman Chaudhary. देखिए, ये ठीक नहीं है. And I say this with a lot of responsibility. repeatedly, even after you giving him a warning, he was wrongfully taking the name of a very senior leader who comes from a tribal community from the northeastern part of our country. What does this indicate, Pranesh? Pranesh, I want to ask you tonight. Pranesh, I want to throw this question to your viewers tonight. After you cautioning him to take the name properly, this man was repeatedly taking the name wrongfully. What is he trying to do? Is he trying to indicate a mentality of feudalism? Is he trying to indicate a mentality of arrogance? Is he trying to indicate a mentality of zamindari that is still in the Congress party? A person of humble origin who has risen from the northeast part of the country, from tribal community, becomes a union minister, wins the election repeatedly. After defeating your party, you are repeatedly taking his name in a wrongful manner. What does it indicate? I want to demand an apology from Mr. Kamru Jaman Chaudhary on your show tonight, Pranesh.
He will not apologize. He will drag you to court.
आपने जो सवाल पूछा है, I will take you back. I will take you back to 2007. This is a repeat of 2007. This is the Manmohan Singh moment for the Congress party. They should realize. इस देश के संसाधनों पे पहला हक देश के मुसलमानों का है, particularly Muslim minority. Today, this is the same version but different words. Same version but different person. Same version but the same constitutional authority. Same version but the same hypocrisy. As far as Bharatiya Janata Party is there, Pranesh, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक एक कार्यकर्ता अगर इस भारत में है तो ये एससी एसटी ओबीसी के आरक्षण को हम हाथ नहीं लगाने देंगे।
प्रोफेसर मोंडोल, वेयर इज द आउटरीच ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन? आप लोग जो कह रहे थे कि बीजेपी संविधान बदल देगी और उसमें प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, सर, नाउ दैट अ सीनियर कांग्रेस लीडर हैज नॉट जस्ट सेड इट, ही हैज जस्टिफाइड हिज कमेंट ऑन मल्टीपल ओकेजन्स ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू आवर्स. वेयर इज द आउटरीच? जंतर मंतर और रामलीला मैदान खाली है, सर. When are you coming?
I think he has explained, and even he has challenged the BJP legally, or he will challenge the BJP legally, saying that his words were being distorted. I don't understand what is the point of debate when the person himself, came out and explained. But the fact remains in this country that in spite of not changing the constitution, BJP is interfering with constitutional authority, including judiciary, including election commission. Look how they are employing their own lackeys in the election commission of India. That's one of the most democratic, pillars of this country, who are responsible to hold the democracy together. And Mr. Amit Shah has, appointed his lackey as the Chief Election Commission of India. You do not need to change the constitution. BJP strategy is different.
So how are you?
You need to, employ some judges, and I say this with full responsibility, without changing the constitution. Like you have one particular judge in Calcutta High Court who has given an outstandingly historical order saying that even to file an FIR against the leader of the opposition, even if he murdered someone, you need to take the permission of the High Court. So BJP strategy is different.
No, forget the BJP strategy. I am asking you a question on principle.
They don't know how to do it.
Mr. Abbas,
BJP is doing
Mr. Abbas, how do you see this comment? I just, said it casually, said DK Shivkumar when he was asked about what he had said originally.
So, Pranesh ji, thank you for having me on your show. I come from Karnataka. I'd like to articulate my points on this front. There's been a lot of misinformation by my BJP friends, and let me put it to the fore. I am a Muslim here in Karnataka. Am I liable to the 4% reservation under the Public Works Department tender? The answer is no. No, Mr. Guru Prakash Paswan, I am not. It is only for those caste of Muslims who come under the 2B category. 2B category, not general Muslims. Now, let me hit the BJP where it hurts the most. Pranesh Saab, here a list of BJP states over the last 30 years where there is Muslim caste reservation quota. Just like you have in Karnataka, Gujarat over the last 25 years, 22 Muslim castes are given reservations. Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath ji, 2 Muslim castes are given reservation. Assam, Manipur, BJP, OBC, other backward classes of Muslims are given reservation.
No, so Mr. Abbas, then let me ask you this.
Just 30 seconds.
No, let me ask you this. No, now
Just
that you're
30
saying,
seconds,
no, Muslims get reservations under the BJP, is the BJP still anti-Muslim? You can't have it both ways.
I will tell
Is
you.
the BJP
problem-
anti-Muslim?
I will answer.
And by the
I will
way,
answer that.
you began by saying that it is only certain castes. 2B, Mr. Abbas, is for all Muslims. Check again, and you can come back. You can check. I'm telling you, 2B is all Muslims. Dr. Ranganathan, Constitution badal denge, casual comment, and now, this kind of whataboutery.
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Pranesh, I think on a hunch, I say I probably would get 2.5 minutes. Can I please, with your permission, divide it equally into half and half of 1 minute and 15 seconds each? Because there are two entities that I want to expose the hypocrisy of, the Congress and the BJP. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, मैं पहले किसकी हिपोक्रेसी एक्सपोज करूं, कांग्रेस की या बीजेपी की? बीजेपी की करूं पहले, because my good friend Guru is also there.
Let's start with the BJP, sir.
All right, thank you. So BJP was against caste survey and caste census. In Bihar, when Nitish Kumar passed a resolution to have a caste survey, was it or was it not with the support of the BJP there? Yes, it was. Number two, BJP was always against the 4% blanket reservations for Muslims taking from the OBC quota, not from the 2B. It was against it. In fact, Mr. Bomai passed a resolution, removing that. But for 10 years, when the BJP government was in Karnataka and the BJP was in center, that 4% reservation was applicable. Muslims in a blanket form were benefiting from it. Is it true or is it not? Yes, it is true. Number three, the fact remains that just a few days ago, Telangana government on the floor of the assembly has passed a resolution, unanimous, that is breaching the Supreme Court 50% blanket, bar for OBC reservations. It has breached it. Illegal, non-constitutional, against Supreme Court. Was it with the support of BJP or not? Yes, it was. तो किस मुंह से आप एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं औरों को जब आपने खुद अपने कहे शब्द खुद एक्सपोज कर दिए? Now that is as far as the BJP is concerned, and Guru is answerable to that, especially on the Telangana issue. When they say we never go against Supreme Court, and they have blatantly disregarded Supreme Court cap of 50%. Now, let me come to the Congress hypocrisy. Here I'd like to quote someone, because I think Rahul Gandhi needs a lesson in history, especially the one that talks about his great-grandfather. Quote, I dislike any kind of reservation, more particularly in service. I react strongly against anything which leads to inefficiency and second-rate standards. I want my country to be a first-class country in everything. The moment we encourage the second rate, we are lost. If we go in for reservations on a communal and caste basis, we swamp the bright and the able and the meritorious and remain second rate or third rate. The only real way to help a backward group is to give opportunities for good education. Help should be given on economic consideration and not on caste, unquote. Who said this? Jawaharlal Nehru on June 27, 1961. Look, the Congress has traditionally been unsympathetic towards Dalit and the OBCs and the underprivileged. The Constitution, Pranesh, mandated a commission to look into reservations for the OBCs. Back in 1950, Congress never constituted a commission. It was in fact a non-Congress government that commissioned it, Mandal Commission, and a non-Congress government that implemented it. In fact, Rajiv Gandhi was against the Mandal Commission implementation. He called it, quote, a can of worms. To tell you of how shamelessly the Congress placates its Muslim vote bank at the cost of the underprivileged, the Congress government reinstated the 4% reservation quota on Muslims in Karnataka, saying all Muslims can avail of this quota. Just 10 seconds. Pranesh, to say that every Muslim of Karnataka belongs to backward class and can now also avail of reservations is just bizarre and makes a mockery of the real purpose of why we have reservations in the first place, to benefit the most underprivileged. I talk here of the Rohini Commission that in fact found 97% of the reserved jobs and seats go only to 25% of OBC subcaste, and only 10 OBC communities have taken 25% of reserved central jobs and institution seats. 37% of communities under OBC's categories had zero representation. This is the fact. So the point of the matter is, unless we remove the hypocrisy from everyone, we are not going anywhere, Pranesh.
Now, you asked me about BJP and Congress and you know what you should be speaking about first. अब आप जवाब किससे सुनना चाहेंगे? गुरु प्रकाश से या कमरुज़मान चौधरी से?
Guruji say, because Kamruji, I know what he's going to say, but Guru, I appreciate his logic and rationale. So I want his.
Let's have it from the BJP then.
Nahi, Pranesh, I will come to Anandji's question, but I was patiently listening to Syed Abbas, and this actually baffles me, this surprises me. Mr. Owaisi keeps saying, ये देश किसका है? ये देश हमारे बाप का है, ये देश हमारे पुरखों का है, इस देश के हम शहंशाह रहे हैं. शहंशाह रहे हैं तो आपको आरक्षण की क्या जरूरत है? Why do you need reservation? I want to ask you tonight. So that is your hypocrisy, number one. Number two, how conveniently Mr. Abbas has said that Uttar Pradesh government provides for reservation. Pranesh, in 2007, in 2008, you would very well remember the Rangnath Mishra committee, the Sachar committee reports were out, and again an effort was made to encroach upon the rights of SC, ST in the OBCs. Who were on the streets? सड़कों पे सच्चर कमेटी के विरोध में खड़ा कौन था? मैं पूछना चाहता हूं आपसे प्रणेश, मैं आपके दर्शकों से पूछना चाहता हूं, तब 2007 में 2008 में सच्चर कमेटी और रंगनाथ मिश्रा के द्वारा एक प्रयास किया गया, एक कुत्सित प्रयास किया गया कि दलितों के आरक्षण को कम किया जाए. सड़क पे कौन उतरा था? भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लोग उतरे थे, और हमने सुनिश्चित किया था कि रंगनाथ मिश्रा सच्चर कमेटी आयोग बना करके आप दलितों के आरक्षण को, ओबीसी के आरक्षण को, आदिवासी के आरक्षण को हाथ नहीं लगा सकते हो. इवन टुडे फॉर दैट मैटर, Gujarat government provides OBC reservation to Muslim. Uttar Pradesh government provides OBC reservation to Muslim. Agreed. But did we ever express to constitutionalize it? क्या हमने ऐसा कहा कि संविधान में परिवर्तन की आवश्यकता होगी तो हम संविधान में परिवर्तन करके मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देंगे? Not even once.
That Guru Prakash, no, 1 minute.
Pranesh, we are talking about
no, that is no defense. Dr. Ranganathan.
अरे थोड़ा 10 सेकंड. अरे ऐसे थोड़ी होता है भाई.
नहीं, ऐसे ही होगा. अब ये
बोले तो दो यार.
बोला तो आपने. नहीं, बोला तो आपने. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, ये जो डिफेंस है, ये टेक्निकलिटी पे खेल रहे हैं. गुरु भाई प्रोफेसर हैं, ये भी ये सोच रहे हैं कि मैं निकल जाऊंगा.
मतलब आप कैटेगरी 2B में ब्लैंकेट रिजर्वेशंस बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट दे रही है मुस्लिम्स को, और कह रहे हैं हम देते रहेंगे लेकिन हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं डाला तो वी आर अबव बोर्ड. नहीं, दिस इज हिपोक्रेसी, दिस इज दोगलापन. बट एक्सप्लेन द तेलंगाना व्हाई यू एग्रीड फॉर ब्रीचिंग द सुप्रीम कोर्ट कैप. प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दैट गुरु.
आनंद जी और प्रदेश जी, आप लोगों को भी हृदय की गहराइयों से सबसे स्पष्ट है ये बात, that for the Bharatiya Janata Party, for the NDA, for the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, we don't need to clarify on this. It is utmost clear. For us, the principles of अंत्योदय, पंक्ति में खड़ा अंतिम व्यक्ति, अगर आवश्यकता हुई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में बदलाव करने की तो ईडब्ल्यूएस आरक्षण, गरीब सामान्य वर्ग में जो गरीब लोग हैं उनको आरक्षण में किसने सुनिश्चित किया? संविधान में परिवर्तन की आवश्यकता हुई. देयर वाज अ नीड टू ब्रिंग एन अमेंडमेंट टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन. वी डिड इट.
No,
because that was a requirement.
But that does not explain the double speak that Dr. Ranganathan is talking about.
They were demagoguery. They were demagoguery on
okay,
that.
let's try it with Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, Dr. Ranganathan ने जो सीधा सवाल पूछा उसका आप जवाब देना चाहेंगे?
Now, Pranesh, let me come to the subjective part of the debate today. When 1980 the Mandal Commission report was placed in front of us, what did it suggest? It suggested economic reservation on the basis of backwardness. Even Muslims were included on the list. A 27% OBC were reserved for that. Now what happened after that Ranganath Mishra Commission report? Then you have got the Sachar Committee report. Then all types of reports have suggested a reservation for the Muslims. But Muslims cannot get reservation on the basis of the constitutional guarantees that is there. But my one simple question to your viewers today is, a scheduled caste guy who changes his religion, enjoying a scheduled caste status, a reservation, once he changes the religion, why does he lose his is a reservation? That's one question that the nation needs to debate, because it serves a singular purpose. When we started with Mandal, it got transferred into Kamandal, and now it has become a Mu Mandal. That is Muslim Mandal. Now you want to create the debate of the next century based on what Hindus and Muslims
Kamruzaman
will
Chaudhary
fight
ji,
over in
no,
the
I'm
next
not
decade
creating
or
a
so.
debate. No,
It
one
is
minute.
absolutely
This is
ridiculous.
not some manufactured debate. This is a debate to call out Congress's incoherent policy, and that policy is incoherent because you don't know what to pick first. Do you want to save Samvidhan or your vote bank? That's the trouble, Dr. Ranganathan. Now, this is another bizarre logic.
No, first of all, Kamruji did not comment on whether Jawaharlal Nehru was correct or not, whether he wanted reservations on communal or caste basis. He dare not comment, but that's okay because he's a Congressee. Number two, will he accept when he says, look, why is a scheduled caste guy, his words, being stopped when he converts to Islam, becomes a Muslim, in getting reservations? I ask him a simple question, but I know he won't answer. So Pranesh, through you, I'm asking him. Does Islam have castes? Yes or no?
Can I come in now? Can I come in now,
Sir, आप तो इन ही हैं, आप आउट कहाँ हुए? बोलिए ना.
Pranesh, basically the entire reservation was based on the economic and the social backwardness. Nowhere the reservation were made on the basis of the religion.
Sir, why can't you ask? Why can't you answer a simple question? Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, क्या difficulty है? Islam में caste है.
Nobody will be able to answer. Why discriminate against the backward and economic backwards?
उनका जवाब दीजिए ना. इस्लाम में caste है, कितने caste
out
हैं?
here is that,
Sir, you don't get to choose questions. उसके accordingly आप answer
Varna
करेंगे.
system in the Hindu is the most regressive Hindu Varna system. Do you need to discuss the Hindu Varna system?
Let's
the
discuss
regressive
it.
Shudras,
People
according to this Brahminical patriarchy that we are observing out here? I don't want to discuss anybody's religion.
This is Brahminical
Nor do I expect
patriarchy.
any Tom, Dick and Harry to discuss my religion.
Sir, 1 minute.
It is a
First
question
of all,
faith.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, first of all, 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. I understand it has hurt you, but ऐसे मत कीजिए, sir. You know, let's have some restraint on the language that you're using on national television. ऐसे मत कीजिए. देखिए, आपके दोस्त हैं IP सिंह जी, उनको भी हंसी आ रही है, लेकिन उनकी वो इंडिया ब्लॉग वाली मजबूरी है. वो कैसे बोलेंगे? वो बोलते बोलते रुक जाते हैं. वो बोलेंगे सवाल ये है कि माननीय राहुल गांधी ने क्या. वो ये नहीं बोलेंगे जी सवाल ये है कि राहुल गांधी चुप है इस पे. अगर यही कमेंट किसी बीजेपी लीडर ने दे दिया होता, प्रोफेसर मोंडोल, even Mamata Banerjee would have hit the streets there in Bengal.
No. You don't understand the politics of Mamata Banerjee and the legend says that's your problem. But I want to clarify on two issues to my good friend Kamru, that when you change your religion, even if you are a SC or ST, you still continue to enjoy reservation. That's law for you. So if you do not know, please correct yourself. And point number two, you talk about Brahminical patriarchy. It is everywhere it's there, right? It's mostly present in your religion. You have to take this into account. At least still Hinduism has great reformers, starting from Ram Mohan Rai to Rabindranath Tagore. So there is a problem on both the sides. So please let us not give this kind of black and white blanket statement, right?
ये आज आपने बदल दिया. Maybe IP Singh can take a leaf out of your book.
Fact is fact.
Whatever book, no, sir, I don't know which book, but maybe he can take a leaf out of your book. IP Singh जी, अब देखिए वो आपको हिम्मत दे रहे हैं. अब आप बोलेंगे?
नहीं, मैं तो गुरु प्रकाश जी और डॉक्टर रंगनाथन जी से पूछना चाहता हूं कि रोहिणी कमीशन को लेकर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बहुत से स्टेटमेंट दिए. आखिर मोदी सरकार रोहिणी कमीशन को क्यों नहीं लागू करना चाहती? और 22 तारीख को जो भी श्री कुमार जी का बयान आया, उन्होंने नेक्स्ट डे उसको क्लेरिफाई किया और कहा कि हमारी मंशा ऐसी नहीं है. उस बात को समझने की जरूरत है.
नहीं तो IP सिंह जी एक बात, नहीं 1 मिनट. जब ये जो बोल रहे हैं कि उन्होंने क्लैरिफाई किया, क्लैरिफाई तो इससे पहले जो आप लोग कर रहे थे, बीजेपी
और
संविधान बदल देगी, तब कितने क्लैरिफिकेशन आए थे? आप लोग सब प्रोटेस्ट पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे. No, those clarifications were not clarifications enough. Now you are buying this, where the man is saying, I meant it casually. Can you talk about changing the constitution casually? Dr. Ranganathan?
नहीं, देखिए, आर्यभट्टा से लेकर आनंद रंगनाथन तक कांग्रेस में मेरी होप्स हैं जीरो. तो उसका रिस्पांस मुझे करना ही नहीं है. मुझे बीजेपी से करना है, बिकॉज दैट इज द पार्टी इन पावर, दैट इज द वन दैट इज गवर्निंग. तो मैं फिर गुरु से तीसरी बार पूछना चाहता हूं, माय गुड फ्रेंड गुरु, did it or did it not support the Telangana chief minister when it breached the 50% SC cap on reservations? It's a simple yes or no. Please answer it.
Pranesh ji, I want to respond to my elder brother and dear friend Anand ji. For not third time, you have every right. You ask me, I will respond to you 300 times as well. As far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, you are very well aware of the fact. Pranesh, you also are very well aware of the fact. For the Bharatiya Janata Party, Antyodaya, the principles of Antyodaya is supreme. Pankti mein khade, antim vyakti ka kalyan. As far as the cap of 50% is concerned, it is the prerogative of the Supreme Court of India. There is a judicial process and we have complete faith in the judiciary. Point number two, there is a lot of misinformation. Pranesh, थोड़ा वक्त मुझे दीजिएगा. अभी my dear friend Monojit Mandal said कि people who convert to other faith are also entitled to reservation. ये कहां पढ़ के आए हैं आप? मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं. I want to quote a Supreme Court judgment. Please let this misinformation end for once and for all. Susai versus Union of India, 1985. The Supreme Court of India was dealing with this question of the eligibility of individuals who have converted from Hinduism to Christianity to avail a SC reservation benefit. What was the observation of the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court observed, and I quote from the Supreme Court judgment. The Supreme Court said that as per the current legal position, the individuals who convert to other religion not recognized under the Constitution, Scheduled Caste Order 1950, such as Christianity or Islam, are not entitled to SC reservation benefits. What is this? Supreme Court of India, National SC Order of 1950, it has categorically stated, जिन लोगों ने धर्मांतरण किया है, वो लोगों को SC आरक्षण का लाभ नहीं मिलेगा. Now the Congress party, the entire Congress party are saying we will go against the constitution. Last point, Pranesh, which we must understand here, Mr. Monojit Mandal also said Brahminical patriarchy. TMC में ममता बनर्जी किस कास्ट की है? अभिषेक बनर्जी किस कास्ट के हैं? I want to challenge you, my friend Mandal. आप बताइए
he was responding to Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji. Don't get him wrong. No, 1 minute. He was responding. No, Guru Prakash, he was responding to Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji. But देखिए, आपने तीसरी बार पूरा सम्मान दिया डॉक्टर रंगनाथन को और उनका जवाब नहीं दिया. आपने सब बोल दिया, मेरे बड़े भाई, मेरे दोस्त, मेरे सब कुछ, लेकिन मैं जवाब नहीं दूंगा. अब ये देखिए, अंत्योदय तो ठीक है जो लास्ट में खड़ा है, लेकिन जो पहले खड़ा है और सवाल पूछ रहा है उसको जवाब तो दे दीजिए. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. Syed Asad Abbas.
Thank you, Pranesh. Quickly, to my good friend, to my dear friend, to my big brother, Guru Prakash Paswan, respected sir, you mentioned about Asaduddin Owaisi. ये महाराजा है, राजा है, बादशाह है, इनको आरक्षण क्यों चाहिए? Respected sir, I'm an Indian Muslim in this beautiful country. Asaduddin Owaisi is not the voice of Muslims, sir. Get that clear. He's not the voice of 20 crore Muslims. He could be a leader of his own party. But taking away all the Muslim caste reservation that you are giving in UP. Sir, have you even read? 2 Muslim castes are given reservation in Uttar Pradesh under Yogi Ji's rule. 22 Muslim castes are given reservation under Gujarat BJP rule. Madhya Pradesh Muslim castes are given reservation. Manipur, Assam, many of your BJP states are giving, sir. आप करें तो प्यार, कांग्रेस करो तो वार.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, इतना सिंपलिस्टिक नहीं है. सैयद असद अब्बास, अब मैं आपसे पूछ लेता हूं. Guru Prakash and Dr. Ranganathan will also come in. Now, even if what you're saying is true, इसमें half truths हैं, लेकिन अगर मान ले what you're saying is true, will you Lord Yogi Adityanath? अब बोल दीजिए, I salute योगी जी, वो सही में सबका साथ सबका विकास कर रहे हैं, बोल दीजिए.
योगी जी हो, मोदी जी हो, भाजपा का नेता हो, मुसलमान का नेता हो, कोई भी कास्ट का नेता हो,
जवाब नहीं
जो
दे
भी
रहे आप।
सही करेगा, जो भी संविधान के
तो संविधान में कहां
सही
लिखा है ऑन द
करेगा।
बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन जो कांग्रेस पार्टी कर रही है? अखिलेश यादव ने भी क्या बोला है अभी मैं सुनाऊंगा आईपी सिंह आपको, बट डॉक्टर रंगनाथन क्विकली।
To my dear friend Abbas, I just want to ask one question because he's talking about BJP giving reservations to Muslims, castes and everything. Can you please tell me what is the full form of OBC?
I'll answer. Other backward classes, any other full form
Correct.
you need?
Correct. So it is classes. Muslims get reservations under the OBC quota. It is not a Muslim caste. That is the whole confusion is arising because even Muslim castes are considered as class and given reservations.
There is,
This
and
class-
Dr. Ranganathan, I can tell you that this confusion is deliberate. You think these people don't know? Yeah, they are doing this to muddy the waters. आप कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी, उनको ऐसा तो नहीं है, नाम पता नहीं है, वो बीजे पार्टी बोल रहे हैं, किरण रिजू बोल रहे हैं. He is doing it deliberately. I don't know for ये क्या cheap thrills है. सवाल का जवाब नहीं देंगे, भाई यही नाम डिस्टॉर्ट करेंगे. कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी, आज राहुल गांधी हैं कहां? I've gathered that he's in India, but why is he not talking?
Now, what should he reply to this?
He should
To
hold
lies
the
that is being
constitution
told
and
by the
say,
BJP
we will save it from
party
DK Shiv
and their
Kumar.
ecosystem. There is a privilege motion. There is a privilege motion in the floor of the House against Mr. Kiran Rijiju for spreading
He'll say
lies on
Rijiju.
oath inside the parliament. Let the privilege motion comes in. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी होगा.
Dr.
और इनका
Ranganathan,
झूठ
what
का
are you saying?
पर्दाफाश होगा.
No,
And
Pranesh, this is deliberately he is doing this. First of all, he is calling BJP party. I don't understand why he is not calling BJP. And second, why is he misspelling and mispronouncing Mr. Kiran Rijiju's name? Deliberately. He's been warned to not to do this by Guru. He's been warned not to do this by you. He continues to do this. Why? I don't understand.
कमरुज़मान जी क्यों कर रहे हैं आप सर ऐसे?
what wrong did I say about him?
उनका नाम रिजिजू है, रिजू नहीं
बीजेपी
है.
पार्टी को बीजेपी पार्टी नहीं बोलेगा.
किरण
What's
रिजिजू.
wrong in that?
अच्छा सर, रिपीट आफ्टर मी. किरण रिजिजू.
No, that's okay. That was unintentional. Kiran Rijiju. I
अनइंटेंशनल
cannot
4 बार हो गया
pronounce
है.
a
वो अधीर
wrong
रंजन
name.
चौधरी ने
But it's
राष्ट्रपति
okay.
को राष्ट्रपत्नी बोल दिया. अनइंटेंशनल. ओ पुअर लेडी, ये क्या है सर?
नहीं,
आपके लिए
that was-
मेरिट
that was-
मेरिट
that was
अनइंटेंशनल
unintentional
है.
about
नो
a
नो बट
person's
कमरुज़मान
name.
चौधरी,
But-
1 minute. You can't
No,
get
no,
away like
The
this.
point.
The point is Rahul Gandhi is
Very
silent. That is the point.
We are missing
Have you
very
heard
important
anything?
point.
No. Have you heard anything
I
from
come
Rahul
back to the
Gandhi? And
point?
by the way,
Can I-
IP सिंह जी, थोड़ा आपकी भी स्वागत में 1-2 रिएक्शन चलाते हैं. देखिए, सुनिए, आपके जो सदर हैं अखिलेश यादव, उनको सुनिए.
ये लंबी बहस है और समय समय पे मांग की गई है और हम लोग तो जाति जनगणना के पक्ष में हैं और आरक्षण मिले जो पिछड़े हैं, दलित हैं और साथ में जो समाज में बहुत पीछे छूट गए हैं उनको आरक्षण मिलना चाहिए. धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण नहीं है.
सुना सर आपने, धर्म के आधार पे नहीं मिलना चाहिए. अब ये कोई भाजपा के नेता नहीं है, एटलीस्ट अभी तक तो नहीं है.
देखिए, वो तो संविधान की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
तो मैं अभी तक क्या आसमान की बात कर रहा था? मैं भी तो संविधान से ही पूछ रहा हूं आपको कि आप पोजीशन लीजिए. आप गुस्सा नहीं हो रहे, कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे कांग्रेस पार्टी. ये कमाल का कोएलिशन कंपल्शन है आपका. अखिलेश जी बोल रहे हैं लेकिन आप नहीं बोलेंगे. या तो ब्रीफिंग नहीं हुई, क्या प्रॉब्लम है बता दीजिए. ब्रीफिंग का दिक्कत है?
नहीं, सवाल ये है,
सवाल ये है,
कि
यही जो मैंने
एक-
पूछा वही है
एक-
सवाल.
नहीं, एक राज्य के मुद्दे को एक उप मुख्यमंत्री के
अच्छा,
मुद्दे
ये
को
राज्य
आप
का
इतना
मुद्दा
दूर दे रहे हैं. लेकिन कुणाल कामरा पर एक शब्द भी बोलने के लिए
कुणाल
आप
कामरा पे भी
चर्चा
आऊंगा
ले
सर.
रहे
अभी
हैं.
कुणाल
क्या
कामरा, अभी तो
संविधान का वायलेशन नहीं हो रहा है, उस पर भी तो चर्चा
कुणाल
करिए.
कामरा पे भी आएंगे. आईपी सिंह जी, आप उस डिबेट में अगर रहना चाहते हैं तो आप रह सकते
महाराष्ट्र
हैं.
में क्या स्थिति है?
आप रहना
देखिए,
चाहते हैं
सरकार
कुणाल
को
कामरा
चाहिए.
डिबेट में तो आप रह सकते हैं. लेकिन देखिए, ये आप लोगों की हिपोक्रेसी है. आप बोल रहे हैं कि एक राज्य का है, एक नेता है, अभी आपको संविधान नहीं बचाना है. साफ एक्सपोज हो गए. लेट्स मूव ऑन.